As we near Valentine's Day, we want to share love stories that remind us good things are possible. Even if the world feels like a mess, that's what happened between Mike and Anju. The couple shares how their leap of faith turned into a lasting love. I love love. Check it out.
Hi there, I'm Mike.
I'm Anju.
And we met online in April 2020. 10 months ago.
And we've been together since. For me, what stood out when Mike's profile came across, first his pictures were quite fun and he was quite good looking. And then on his profile, he said, I dropped out of school at 15. And I'm like, gosh, this is intriguing. That's where it all started.
But there was another fun part to the story, which was on my profile, it showed up as downtown. Andrew didn't know downtown where.
I live in Milwaukee, so I'm thinking he lives in Chicago downtown, worst comes to worst, right? So I'm like, that's only a 90-minute train ride. And, it's close by. I'm in Chicago quite often. That's doable.
So the secret was I paid for the premium account where I could date anywhere in the world. And then she ends up with me in Nashville. So it was kind of, I think, a little bit of a surprise to her at first.
I joke about this. If I hadn't made my profile on March 10, even if I was off by a date, I would not have met Mike, right? So we talk about stars aligning. The chat opened up and I said, hey, this is an opener. I said it and Mike replies back, thanks for your message. And how about a FaceTime date tomorrow? Which is perfect. So it was my first FaceTime date.
So we get talking and that and we're enjoying it and then we keep going for 2 hours. And I remember at the end of the date, I said to a friend, I think this might be the one. It was really good.
And as we're going through it, Mike goes, well, if it was regular times, I'll get on a plane and come see you. I Googled how far is the drive from Milwaukee to Nashville, and it was 8.5 hours. And I said, oh, it's only an 8.5 hour drive.
So I said, well, toss a coin. Heads, I'll come to you, tails, you come to me. Of course, the toss ended up that she was driving to me. So the next morning, she drove to me.
And I say I won the toss because I didn't really want him coming to my place, because how do you kick somebody out? Here, I knew I could I had it in me to leave.
And I was the other way around. I thought I'd rather actually make the drive because it's during COVID, there's nothing going on. And Andrew called and said, I'm here. So I buzzed her up and I saw her walking down the hallway and she dressed really nicely. So I felt good straight away.
My heart did skip a beat. It felt like all that gutsy move that I made was worth it. I used to really let my heart and mind drive me. And for once, I listened to my gut. And it's the best thing I ever did.
It is. When you think about it, we meet online. Andrew drives 8.5 hours for us to meet the next day. We start living together immediately. After 60 days, we buy a property together. I mean, if one of our kids did this, we'd think they were nuts. So I don't think this is something I can say is right or I'd recommend. It's just been beautiful for us.
What I hope is people should never stop dreaming and believing. Because when you least expect it, it's gonna happen. Our first date lasted 204 days.
But it didn't really matter, did it? Because it all worked out.